Here's how to allow microphone access on Discord mobile. Now, if you're on your iPhone or Android on Discord and you're chatting with somebody and you wanted to use your microphone, it works the exact same on your iPhone or Android, but we need to make sure a setting isn't turned on that's preventing access. So to do that, let's first just head into the Settings app and make sure that we don't have screen time turned on. Keep in mind, if you do have screen time turned on, it could prevent your ability to allow access to changing the microphone. So make sure to switch it to allow changes and then also just toggle off content and privacy restrictions. After you've done that, we need to find the access to that microphone on your iPhone or Android. So let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. At the beginning of your settings, scroll down and you can either access it from privacy or security, or you can just go directly to the Discord app settings. On here, you can see microphone. All you need to do is toggle it on here. And after you've done that, you can open up the Discord app. And in a conversation, you can tap on that microphone to hold and record and start sending voice messages and using that microphone.